Everyone, so let's continue. I think you already watched the video 6, part 6 we already completed. So now what we need to do the part 7. So if you remember, we done all the configuration whatever we want for R1. Now we need to do for R2, R3 and same thing as we do before. Okay, so we need to do that one. So let's do this R1 we done. Now we need to go for R2. So here if you see, we have already configuration here. So this is a R2. So R2, this F0 by 0 remains same, F0 by 1 remains same. You need to focus on F1 by 0. Here you need to modify F1 by 0. So this one you need to take care. These two remain same. This one 0 by 0 and 0 by 1. So okay. These two remain same, 0 by 0, 0 by 1, only you need to take care of this interface. So here we need to do modification. So what I will do here, in this interface I will write here no shut. Okay, and then I will divide this interface into sub interface. So here we are using VLAN 30 and 40, so I will divide into 30. Okay, and let's copy and paste here the configuration. That will be help to us, and we will modify as per our requirement. So I go here, I will put this encapsulation 30 here. Okay, and then here will be 30. So interface F1 by 0.30 encapsulation.1q30, IP address 192.168.30.1. Okay, this one is okay for 30, and we have VLAN 40 also here. So let me copy and we can put here, and we can say this one is a VLAN 40. This is also 40, this is 40. So what I done, I divide this interface into sub interface, one for VLAN 30, one for VLAN 40. So we will have the SVI, means we will have the inter VLAN routing here. So with this one I done the inter VLAN routing. Now you need to put this interface in the OSPF also. So here if you see F1 by 0, this is the F1 by 0. So instead of this F1 by 0, you will put this one time here. Okay, I will copy this one more time here, and we will put this here. Clear, right? So let me first of all go here and do the configuration in this one. So what I will do here, I will go here inside enable config T and interface F1/0. I will write no IP address, and then interface F1/0.30. I done the sub interface. I will write I need to go again, interface F1/0.30. then encapsulation.30. then I will assign the IP address whatever IP VLAN 192.168.30.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and no shut. Anyhow, no need to write no shut, already this up. And then I will divide interface F1/0. okay, .40. this is for VLAN 40. router on a stick we are doing this. Okay, so this one I done, and I need to assign the IP address 192.168.40.1, give space 255.255.255.0, and no shut. And now we need to configure the DHCP also. So I will write IP DHCP pool VLAN 30. Then I will write IP network. I will write network 192.168.30.1, 30.0, 255.255.255.0, default router 192.168.30.1, sorry, 30.1. and I will write here one more like IP DHCP pool VLAN 40 and network 192.168.40.0, give space 255.255.255.0, and default router means gateway 192.168.40.1, and you need to exclude some IP. So you write IP DHCP exclude range 192.168.30.1 till 192.168.30.10. I am giving 30.10. You can give maybe 30.2 or 30.3. I am reserving the IP from 1 to 10. Same thing we need to do for VLAN 40 also. So I am doing same thing here. Okay, I will save the configuration and let's see everything is okay or not. Here before we assign the IP manually. Now you can check you are getting the IP or not with DHCP. We need to check. Okay, it is fail, so maybe some issue. Did we done the configuration here? We created the VLAN and all. Let's see here. Maybe we did not create it here VLAN. Let me check. Show VLAN brief. Here we did not create it. That's why. So I will write here VLAN. What is that? 30. Name is sale. VLAN 40. Name is, what is the name? Marketing. Okay. Then after that, interface range F0-2-3 switch port mode axis VLAN 30. Okay, I put this port in VLAN 30. Which one I am saying? If you see here, this 2 port I put in VLAN 30 and this 2 port I will put in VLAN 40. Before we don't have in this one VLAN I created just now. So let me do now here. I will go here. I will write like interface range F0-4-5 switch port mode axis VLAN 40. And one more thing, you need to make that interface as a trunk which is connecting to the router. So which interface you need to do? Trunk, this one. This interface should be trunk. So I will write interface F1/0 switch port, interface F0/1. This one I am saying 0/1, this one. Then switch port mode trunk. Now it is okay. Now save the configuration and check. Do the fast forward so it will be fast, and then go here desktop and click here and check. Now you are getting correctly. Okay, 30.11 and 30.1, so working perfectly. And go here and do again and check. It is also working perfectly.